How to change Facebook password. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the Skytech Studio, and today's guide I'll show you the step-by-step guide of how you can change your Facebook account password. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to change your Facebook password, simply go and open up the Facebook application from your phone, and from the Facebook homepage, simply go and tap on this profile icon at the top right. Now once you're here inside your Facebook profile, tap on this three-dot line at the top left, and then scroll down and tap on settings and privacy. Now go ahead and tap on the settings from the list. Now once you're here inside the settings and privacy of your Facebook account, you'll get to see the first option will appear, account center. You just need to go and tap on account center here and scroll down under the account settings. You'll get to see the first option, password and security. Go ahead and tap on this. And here you get to see the first option, change password. Go and tap on change password and select the Facebook account from the list. So first one is my Facebook account, so I'm going to tap on this, and once you do that, this is going to give you the option to change the password. You actually have to enter your current password first, and you just need to enter the new password twice. So I'm going to enter my current password first. And once you have entered your current password and you have entered the new password twice, just go ahead and tap on the change password button at the bottom right here, and the Facebook account password will immediately change. But if any case, if you forget your current or the old password, then what we can forget your password. You can tap on the forget your password option at the bottom right here, and this will get you another option. So you actually have to go through your email address or phone number. This will give you the code, and then you can enter this and you can reset your password as well. And this is how you actually can change your Facebook account password. Hope you found this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.